Hey guys, this is my review on custom leathercraft. Let me show you how many things I got inside this bag. It's very incredible for my workflow. As you see, and the first, and I put my old tools inside, and I got some more space, and you got space to put your laptops on everything. Check again, and as you can see, all my tools, my screwdriver,